Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2017 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. Comes in a brilliant black pearl exterior color with a gray interior. Has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine with a torque flight automatic transmission. This is the 4-door utility pickup that can seat 5. Making our way into the interior of the vehicle, we have the power folding side mirrors with power windows, 2 storage compartments with 2 cup holders, nice big speaker at the bottom as well. Door panel is made up of a gray leather with black hard plastic and chrome inserts. Driver's side seat is powered with a gray fabric. Steering wheel is black leather wrap with your chrome badge in the center. Voice command and menu selection on the left. Cruise control and gear selector on the right. Vehicle's key to start. Nice digital odometer in the center with your multiple clusters around it. Touchscreen infotainment system. You have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Also comes with Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB connection. This vehicle comes with heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. Touchscreen climate control, as well as your manual climate control just underneath. Your 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive selectors. Turnstile gear shifter. Traction control. Heated steering and heated seat buttons down here as well. Got a nice power bank over on the right. Lots of extra storage compartments as well. You got 2 cup holders. Center console is a gray leather wrap. Nice compartment with your coin selector, as well as other USB ports. And a much larger compartment down as well with all of your manuals stored in it. Over here we have your sunroof controls as well as overhead lighting. Rear view mirror. Speaker for your voice control. Illuminated driver's side, as well as passenger side vanity mirrors. And a nice sunroof with your own shade covering if you'd like it closed or opened. Starting off with the left-hand side of the vehicle, we have the 20-inch black Dodge rims on summer tires. Black side mirrors with integrated turn signals as well as black handle grips. Badging on the side is chrome. You got side steps on either side as well with your gas tank just above the left rear tire. Badging on the rear as well is chromed. Comes with a hitch installed. Backup cameras just next to the handle grip. Nice big long trunk bed with your cover on it. Also comes with the hard plastic to help protect it against the elements. Bed cover folds up into 3 pieces as well. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle now, we have the same gray leather with black hard plastic, 2 storage compartments, and speaker down at the bottom. Rear seats are also the gray fabric. It is a 60-40 split setup. Both cup holders when you fold it down, as well as 2 cup holders down at the bottom. Power banks as well as your vents down at the bottom of the center console. Magazine holders at the rear of both seats as well. Overhead lighting at the rear with a couple hooks. And this vehicle is outfitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side, we'll get another look at the bed cover. Got one antenna just at the rear of the vehicle as well. Got a antenna just in front of the right passenger door. Front grille is blacked out with your chrome badge in the center. 2 tow hooks in the chrome bumper as well. If there's anything you'd like to know about this vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or check us out at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.